Hare Krishna YouTuber. So now we're dealing with a new lesson. In a sense, it's not really a new lesson. It's similar to T-highs, but they're called transitions, and I'll deal with that in another lesson. So transitions, so T-highs basically come at the end of rhythms. And transitions, generally speaking, come at the beginning of rhythms. But they can also with transitions, if there's a technical term for it, I don't know, but transitions, is what they are. And they could either be at the beginning, middle, or end of any place in any Mahamantra in any place on the rhythm, whereas T-highs are always come at the end. Transitions could come at the beginning, middle, or end of any place. So I'll be teaching you some transitions here, generally for slow rhythms. Then the next lesson, I'll be teaching you some transitions that are applied to like Drew Kahira Tal and other fast rhythms. So the first transition, and it has to do with reaction time too, because when you end the cycle or T-high, you have to be able to react and do the particular transition that comes at the beginning of Hare Krishna. Now this mantra for this transition is, the mantra for it is Ta Kat Geta Dinta Da. Ta Kage Ta Dinta Da. Ta Kage Ta Katge Ta Dinta Da. Ta Kage Ta Dinta Da. Ta Kage Ta Dinta Da. Ta Kat is T and K. Ta Kage Ta Dinta Da. Now remember this, that it ends on Da. That's because if you do Da, that means you're probably going to go into a Kahira rhythm like Ta Kage. It ends on Da. But if you were to do go into a Vajrayani Tal, it will end on Din. It will end on Din. So always remember that it could either be, depending on which rhythm you want to use. So it could either go Ta Kage Ta Din Ta Din if you're going to use Vajrayani Tal or something, because Vajrayani Tal starts on Din. So Ta Kage Ta Kage Ta Din Ta Din Ta. But if it was to start on Kahira, it would start on, not Drew Kahira with T, but because if it was Drew, it would start on Din also. But if it was the normal Kahira Tal and it was speeded up, it would start on Da. Ta. But if it was on Vajrayani, it would end on Din. Ta. So always remember that. So it can either be Da or Din for the last mantra, depending on which Tal you want to use. Now it's important to remember that it starts at Na of Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. It depends on the reaction time, because after that it ends one cycle, the singer may start off slowly and go Hare Krishna. The Ta starts on Na. It comes with practice too, depending on which kirtan singer sings. So the Ta starts on Na. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Like I said, these are for slow rhythms, so you'll be able to react probably to these. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare So that was the first one. It starts on Na of Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, etc. Now the next one also starts on Hare. It also starts on Na. It could probably start on Na, but it also start on Re, depending on which your reaction time to the kirtan singer. So the mantra for this one is, it's 3 sets. It's Dha-Ratirati-dha-Ratirati. Now there's 5 sets of Dha-Ratirati-dha-Ratirati. I'll say it. Dha-Ratirati-dha-Ratirati-dha-Ratirati-dha-Ratirati-dha-Ratirati. So da da di di da da di di da da di di da da di di da da di di. Then right to go. Then so I'll just say it. Hare Krishna da da di di da da di di da da di di da da di di da da di di. Then right to da da ka geta dinta da. I'll just do the mantra. You see the mantra. Now there's 5 sets of da da di di. Now it kind of starts on na. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. Da 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 da. Da da di di da da di di da da di di da da di. Damn it. So I mean that's hard to catch, not really, but it can also start on re. So Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna. If it started on re, that means there's only 4 sets of da-da-di-dis instead of 5, depending on your reaction time. Because if it's a little slow, you'll start on da-da-di-di. Only do 4 sets of da-da-di-dis. So Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. So the mantra is there. So after da-da-di-di, 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 damn, rati da, da. It's similar to the last lesson too, that last part. So it shouldn't be too difficult to get, but it's best to show by example, and I'll do some music so you can get it, these particular transitions. So. I'll do it again. Start over. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare 7. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna. One more time. That was a little slow. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna. So you get that? Ram, 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 Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So after you end the cycle on 1, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, you can also, do that. So Ram, Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna. So yeah, I'll do the next one. And then the other from both sides. How much time that did or whatever it is. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare etc. So I'll do it from this side. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, So yeah, they can also go a little bit faster. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, etc. So it just takes practice. Haribol.